Welcome back, cyclists. If you're looking to upgrade your gear in 2026, you cannot overlook your eyewear. Today, we are diving deep into the Vision Forward, the 2026 Cycling Eyewear Guide to break down the latest trends. Let's kick things off with the major trends shaping the market. The standout innovation for 2026 is undoubtedly AI integration. Cycling glasses now feature built-in cameras designed to automatically flag key moments during high-intensity riding scenarios. But it's not just about cameras. Lens technology has seen a massive leap with the new rapid shift photochromics. These lenses transition from dark to clear in under half a second, perfect for forest trails or tunnels. It ensures your vision is never compromised by sudden changes in light, keeping your rides safer than ever. We're also seeing the rise of integrated AR heads-up displays that are finally slim enough for everyday use. Imagine seeing your speed, power output, and turn-by-turn navigation projected right onto your lens without blocking your view. These systems sync wirelessly with your bike computer, creating a seamless data ecosystem in your line of sight. Aerodynamics isn't just for your bike anymore. Frames are being sculpted in wind tunnels for maximum efficiency. The latest wraparound designs reduce drag by up to 5%, helping you slice through the wind with less effort. Improved ventilation channels also prevent fogging, even during the most grueling climbs in humid conditions. 2026 is also the year of the eco-conscious rider. Brands are ditching traditional plastics for sustainable alternatives. We're seeing frames made from bio-based polymers and recycled carbon fiber that are just as light and durable as before. It's about protecting the environments we ride in while getting the high-performance gear we demand. For our top picks, the AeroVision 6 is the clear winner for tech enthusiasts wanting both AI and AR features. It's a lightweight powerhouse that packs every innovation we've discussed into a sleek, minimalist frame. If you're looking for value, the PulseLight series offers the same rapid shift lens tech at a much more accessible price point. It's the perfect entry point for riders who want professional-grade lens quality without the premium price tag. Choosing the right eyewear is ultimately about balancing protection, performance, and your own personal style. You can find our full comparison chart and detailed specs for all these models in the description below. Thanks for watching, stay safe, keep your eyes on the road, and we'll see you in the next one. Beyond AI, manufacturers are prioritizing lightweight materials. We are seeing a massive shift in how gear is built. We are seeing the utilization of advanced ultracarbon and bio-based polyamide frames to maximize rider comfort while keeping the weight to an absolute minimum. Brands like Rudy Project are leading with Rilson G850, a bio-based nylon that's lighter and more flexible than traditional plastics. We're also seeing huge improvements in photochromic tech, with brands like OhO leveraging Zeiss technology and Rudy Project. They are creating high-performance lenses that adapt seamlessly to rapidly changing light conditions, moving from UV reactive to instant LCD switching. Beyond automatic switching, the Povec C1 allows riders to manually override tints with a simple swipe on the temple, offering 3 distinct levels of light transmission. OhO's partnership with Zeiss ensures exceptional optical clarity, minimizing dispersion for a sharper view of the road ahead. Brands like OhO are also solving the one-size-fits-all problem by offering regular and large fits in the Alibi series, ensuring high-speed stability for every face shape. Finally, high-contrast lenses that enhance color and visibility remain an absolute crucial standard for rider safety. Oakley's Prism technology remains the gold standard, tuning specific wavelengths to highlight textures like road hazards or trail routes. Meanwhile, 100% hyper lenses filter out color noise, providing a featherweight but high-definition visual experience. For the ultimate endurance rider, Julbo's reactive lenses provide a massive range, shifting from nearly clear 87% to a dark 12% transmission, perfect for 24-hour events. Safety is also getting a tech boost. We're seeing integration with rear-facing radar systems like Garmin Varia, providing haptic cues directly through your frames to alert you of approaching vehicles. Now let's get into the gear. What are the top picks for 2026? Let's break down the 3 must-have models. First up, the Oakley Meta Vanguard. It's not just eyewear, it's a performance hub with AI, speakers, and a 12-megapixel camera built in. Second is the 100% Hypercraft. At just 23 grams, it's the absolute leader for those who want to forget they're even wearing glasses. Finally, the Rudy Project Kelion. Its bio-based frame and Impact X2 lenses offer durability and a customized fit that's unbeatable. With 68% of the professional peloton now using adaptive lens tech, These aren't just accessories, they're essential tools for modern performance. Whether you prioritize weight, smart tech, or lens clarity, 2026 has a solution. Choose the gear that matches your ride. Stay tuned for more gear breakdowns, ride safe, and see you on the road. Top cycling sunglasses for 2026. Let's find your perfect pair for performance and tech. For the best overall performance, the Oakley encoder leads with its massive field of view and prism lens tech. But if you want to record your ride, the BleeqUp Ranger is the game changer with AI and a 1080p camera. It packs 32 GB of storage and smart tagging, capturing every descent from your perspective. On a budget? The tifosi rail offers incredible value and photochromic options that adjust to any light. And for the absolute best light adaptation, the Rudy Project Kelion is the gold standard for clarity. Whether it's pure performance or AI tech, there's a pair for every rider. Which one are you choosing? Stay safe and ride on. We'll see you on the next one. As the cycling industry moves toward the 2026 season, eyewear has transitioned from simple sun protection to a high-performance technological hub. The most significant shift is the emergence of smart lenses and AI-powered frames that integrate real-time performance data directly into your field of vision. The 100% hypercraft SQ is a top pick for weight-conscious riders, winning the best lightweight category with a frame that weighs just 23 grams. For mountain bikers, the Smith Wildcat remains the benchmark, offering incredible coverage and high-contrast chromapop optics for the trail. Road cyclists will find their match with the Roka SR-1X, featuring a secure Geeko fit system and an 8-base curve for superior wind protection. 2026 is the year cycling eyewear gets smarter and lighter than ever. Whether for road or trail, the future of riding vision is finally here.